This air conditioner has been serving us for more than a decade. You can see how old this unit is from its yellowish case. Just a few weeks ago, it stopped working because the mainboard has failed. So I got a replacement for my home office, and here it is. This air conditioner is designed to provide more than just cooling. It is engineered to deliver a refreshing and healthy indoor environment. In this review, we will dive into the specifics of this air conditioner, highlighting its key technologies and benefits. Back in the days, if you want to get some fresh air into the room, opening the window is a straightforward solution. However, gone are those days. Especially for us who stay in the city, the air quality is no longer as good as before. The VAGS series distinguishes itself with its innovative approach to air quality. At the heart of this is the fresh air feature with balanced air outlet design. The air is sucked in from a dedicated tube and meticulously filtered through HEPA filters, effectively removing a significant portion of airborne particles, allergens, and pollutants. This focus on fresh air delivery makes the VAGS series a strong contender for those with respiratory sensitivities or anyone who prioritizes a healthy living environment. Since this function is separated from the cooling module, you can just turn on a fresh air feature without the need of powering the entire air conditioner. And that brings us back to the core functionality, the cooling performance. Coanda airflow is a key design element that ensures an equal distribution of cool air throughout the room. You can enable Coanda airflow function by pressing the NDB button on the remote, and the AC unit would regulate the airflow towards the higher direction, eliminating the uncomfortable cold air draft blowing at anyone resting underneath the air conditioner, especially for infants and elderlies. Combined with the iFeel function, it enables the air conditioner to detect the surrounding temperature and automatically adjust its settings to achieve optimal comfort. By sensing the temperature in your specific location, iFeel ensures that the entire room is balanced and you are not left feeling too hot or too cold. So in conclusion, the Hisense R32 Inverter air conditioner is a compelling option for those seeking a high-performance air conditioner with a strong emphasis on air quality. Its combination of fresh air delivery, advanced purification technologies, and smart features makes it a versatile and modern choice. For those who are interested, you may purchase it at authorized Hisense dealer store nearby. So that's all for this video. If you guys have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.